Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the playback quality of any YouTube video on both your phone and your computer. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. When you are watching a YouTube video on your computer, simply move your cursor over the video and click the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Select quality and choose the resolution you prefer. This is useful if the video looks blurry, or if your internet connection is slow and playback keeps buffering. On your phone, tap the video player to reveal the options and then tap the settings icon in the top right. Open the quality menu and you'll see that it is set to auto by default, which means YouTube will automatically adjust the quality based on your connection. But if you want to choose the resolution manually, press Advanced and select the quality you prefer. And that's it! Now you know how to change the quality of any YouTube video on your phone and computer.